Hello, welcome to Shop Talk. Just to show you what some of the work we do here at the shop here. We're going to do some welding on this bar. This is a processor bar. Runs that 11 BC chain, that big chain. And you can see right here how this is ditched down here, both sides. And I'm going to replace this tip. I'm going to weld this up with some hard facing rod, groove it out, and fix this bar. The reason I'm welding it and fixing it because this bar sells for about $350 to almost $400. So I can repair it for this customer for probably around $100, and he'll have a very nice spare bar. After welding it, here's what it looks like. I'll take it into the bar shop now and I'll square that up and cut the groove out. And here it is. We've welded up this side here. We ground it back, squared up the rails, cut the groove. And this is what it looks like before we do the grinding. This is the weld on the other side here. I'm going to knock the metal off there with a grinder, square it all up. And then we'll show you what it looks like once we use the grooving wheel on it. And here's what it looks like after we've surfaced it. Surface ground the top area there. See the rough edges yet. And I'm going to use this machine here to square up those rails. And then I've got a machine that will cut that groove out. And we'll have this customer's bar, which is about a $350 bar, back up to where he can use it. Here's what it looks like after I've got done squaring up those rails. Now I'm going to use a 122 gauge grinding wheel to run down that center of that groove, and I'll show you what that looks like. That's a 122 gauge grinding wheel on the bar shop, and I'm going to cut that metal out of that groove. And we're just about done with our project here, welding up this 11 BC bar. That's what the tip looks like on it. You can see the welds where we filled in that much, about 1/4 of an inch on each side. Then dressed it all down. And the next stop is in the paint shop. We'll touch up a little bit of paint on this, and the customer will have a usable processor bar. And here's the finished product. You can just barely see the weld marks there. 2 processor bars ready to go back to work in the woods.